Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. Today I want to go over this awesome 7-way plug that I got for my trailer. I'm redoing my 16-foot long pull-behind trailer and putting drive-over fenders on it and widening it about 8 inches on each side. With doing this, I'm going to also add brakes to it, which makes me want to go to a 7-way plug. I got this plug sent to me to try out and do a review on. Once I got the trailer all wired up with the lights and brakes and everything like that, I went to install this plug. If you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but helps me out a lot. What's awesome about this plug assembly is it comes with an 8-foot, 12-foot, or 16-foot cord with it. This plug system comes with a weatherproof junction box, which makes it easy to install and wire your trailer, and also helps you troubleshoot if you ever have an issue with your wiring on your trailer, lights not working or brakes not working. This plug comes with an awesome attached cover for your plug to keep the weather out when you're not using the trailer, that when you take it off can simply snap right onto the wire. It comes with 3 punch outs and extra pieces that have holes in them that are made for feeding your wires through, which makes it easy for running your wires into this junction box. On my trailer, I wired mine a little bit differently and ran a bunch of different colored wires because I ran it down both sides and ran lights, reverse lights, and everything all the way down my trailer. But as you can see here, it's very easy to wire up and hook up. Using the included wiring diagram, you can simply hook your wires that you know are for your lights or brakes or whatever to the correct terminals, and it's easy to diagnose if you get it wrong. As you can see here, I hook all the wires up, put my nuts on there, put my cover on, and it is ready to go. I just attached it to the small toolbox at the front of my trailer with some self-tapping screws and ran the wire up to the front of my trailer. This cord attached is long enough for doing a gooseneck trailer or some longer trailer you may have, but in my case, I just wrapped it around the tongue to take up the slack that I didn't need. Overall, I'm extremely satisfied with the quality of this cord and junction box, and highly recommend that you get one for yours if you need it in one of your projects. If you want to pick up one of these junction box 7-way plugs for your own project, go ahead and click in the link in the description and get yourself one.